Today I'm gonna make a very refreshing drink for hot summer days like this. First, let's start by slicing a lime. Place 10 fresh mint leaves into a sturdy glass along with 1 or 2 lime slices. Use a muddler to crush the mint and the lime to release the mint oils and the lime juice. If you don't have a muddler, you can use a spoon. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and muddle it again to release the lime juice. And don't strain the mixture. Fill the glass almost to the top with ice. Now pour 3 lids of white rum over the ice. Then fill the glass with soda. You'll need about half a cup. Stir the mojito and give it a taste. You can add more sugar if you like it sweeter. Be careful, if you make a pitcher, you might be tempted to drink them all.